Hi everyone. This is Jyoti. I'm from Karimnagar, Telangana. So I would like to first thank Mr. Kailash Mehra for introducing such a wonderful program of iYoga, which is from Preksha iYoga. As I'm facing a lot of issues with my eye issues, like I'm having severe eye ache, only the eyeball ache, and I'm having a little bit of vision problem. But the major problems I was facing are like I'm having severe itching, ready eyes, and always my eyes used to drip water. Like I used to get tears a lot. So early in the morning, I used to get some white kind of pus in my eyes. From past 3 years, I'm using ophthalmology medicines for like eye drops and medicines for itching, but none of them worked out for me. So one day when I was go through this Facebook, I saw this Preksha iYoga page. So I thought this will also not work, as from past 3 years I'm not having any improvement with this allopathy medicine. But finally I thought to give a try by seeing the reviews of this Preksha iYoga, wherein the customers gave almost they gave up their glasses as well, and they got very good improvement in their sight. So I spoke to Mr. Kailash Mehra regarding this, and he took me my consultation for almost half an hour over the call. He gave me the suggestions. He guided me through the program, and I took 2 months program. So in the initial stage, I was little bit boring, and I felt, oh, I can't do all these things. By seeing the exercises, they look very easy and silly, but there is a lot of power in these exercises. As we steam our eyes, as we do the ball exercises, as we do our neck and shoulder rotation, and even the other problems of mine, I felt they subsided a lot, as I have cervical issues also due to this exercises. Even I can drop my pain to just very normal rate. Previously it was very high, but now I can feel no pain in my even neck area as well. And not only that, after second or third week, I noticed my vision is getting improved, and slowly the eye watering and reddish got down. And after the second month of yoga, I must say this is a magic. uh, Even my under eye dark circles got less, up to 60%, and I'm getting a very good sleep. I don't feel stress in my eyes anymore, because I'm even practicing the yoga after my 2 month session. Daily I kept it as a habit, washing my eyes and doing the exercises, and now I can say that I'm 100% good at my vision. All my allergies gone away, even my dust allergy and the eye watering and the itching. Mainly I have a problem of itching, and my eyes used to swollen like hell. But I'm not using any English medicine now. I'm not taking drops, or I'm not taking any tablets. I am just following the course which was given by Mr. Kailash Mehra. So I should thank Kailash ji. Thank you so much for this wonderful course you brought for us. And I hope many of our people should follow this, our Indian culture, our Indian yoga, apart from this ophthalmology tablets or whatever they are, because they are just giving only till we complete the medicines, or if even that time also there is no use from them. But this yoga is removing the problem from the root. So I feel very happy for that. And even now, if I'm sitting in front of the laptop for hours also, I don't feel any stress or strain, or I don't feel any eye watering issues or eye strains. I thank you so much for this, and I strongly recommend this eye yoga exercises. Better if you go with a long term, like 2 months program, because it depends upon how we treat ourselves. And if you take 2 months, definitely you will make it as a habit, and you can continue it throughout your life. Remove the goggles and remove the any laser treatments. That's not a big deal. We are no need to go anywhere to the hospitals for our eye surgeries. This will help us 150% to cure all our eye problems. Thank you, Kailash ji, and thank you, Preksha iYoga. Thanks a lot, everyone.